Dog fights can be terrifying and dangerous. The sight of two dogs clashing, their teeth bared, and the sounds of their growls can send chills down anyone's spine. It's a situation no dog owner wants to find themselves in, but it's crucial to be prepared. The commotion, the sounds of aggression, it can feel chaotic. The adrenaline rushes through your veins, and it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But amidst the chaos, there are steps you can take to ensure the safety of both the dogs and yourself. But knowing how to respond calmly and effectively can make all the difference. It's about maintaining your composure and taking decisive action. A calm demeanor can help de-escalate the situation and prevent further harm. You become a pack leader not by panicking, but by knowing what to do. Leadership in such moments is about confidence and control. Dogs can sense your energy, and a calm, assertive presence can influence their behavior. Here are 10 essential steps to take if you find yourself witnessing a dog attack. These steps are designed to help you manage the situation effectively and minimize the risk of injury. Dog fights can be terrifying and dangerous. The initial shock can paralyze you, but it's important to act quickly. Understanding the dynamics of dog behavior can give you an edge in these situations. Knowing how to respond can make all the difference. It's not just about stopping the fight, but also about preventing future incidents. Training and preparation are key. Here are 10 essential steps to take if a dog attacks another dog. These steps will guide you through the process, from assessing the situation to safely intervening and ensuring the well-being of all involved. Stay tuned as we delve into each step in detail, providing you with the knowledge and confidence to handle such incidents effectively. In any tense situation, especially one as intense as a dog fight, your energy matters. Dogs feed off your emotions. Take a deep breath. Remind yourself that you are the pack leader. Project an aura of calm assertiveness. Avoid yelling or making sudden movements, as it might agitate the dogs further. You are the calming presence in this storm. Never, and I mean never, use your hands to try and separate fighting dogs. Your safety is paramount. Those jaws are powerful, and in the heat of the moment, they won't distinguish your hand from their intended target. Instead, use objects around you. A large piece of cardboard, a stick, a jacket, anything to create a barrier between the dogs. The goal is to break the dog's focus, to snap them out of that fight-or-flight instinct. A loud, sharp noise can do the trick. Clap your hands forcefully, bang on a nearby object, anything to startle them. Water is another effective tool. A hose, a bucket, even a water bottle. Dousing them will often force a disengagement. Chapter 4. The Wheelbarrow Method. If you can safely reach the aggressor, and I emphasize, the wheelbarrow method can be effective, especially with smaller dogs. Grab the dog's hind legs and gently but firmly pull them backward as if you're maneuvering a wheelbarrow. This disrupts their balance and reduces their ability to maintain the attack. Chapter 5. Safety first, for everyone. Once the dogs are separated, even for a moment, don't let your guard down. Immediately leash both dogs if possible, keeping them at a safe distance. This prevents a reignition of the fight and allows everyone to calm down. Remember, adrenaline is still surging through their systems. Chapter 6. Assess for injuries. Be thorough. With the situation under control, it's time to check for injuries. Examine both dogs carefully, looking for any bites, scratches, or limping. But remember, even if there are no visible wounds, internal injuries or shock can occur. If you see any serious bites, rush the injured dog to the veterinarian immediately. If this altercation happened in a public space and the other dog involved has an owner, exchange information, names, contact details, and most importantly, vaccination records, especially for rabies, are crucial. This protects everyone involved. Chapter 8. When in doubt, see the vet. Even if the fight seemed minor and your dog appears unharmed, I cannot stress this enough. Always take your dog to the veterinarian after any fight. It's easy to assume that a minor scuffle between dogs is nothing to worry about, especially if there are no visible injuries. However, dogs are incredibly adept at concealing pain and discomfort. What might look like a harmless scratch or a small bite could be hiding a more serious issue beneath the surface. Dogs are masters at hiding pain, and what seems like a scratch could be masking something more serious. Internal injuries, infections, and even psychological trauma can result from what appears to be a minor altercation. A professional veterinarian has the tools and expertise to thoroughly examine your dog and identify any underlying issues that might not be immediately apparent. Infection, trauma. These are things best assessed by a professional. A vet can provide the necessary treatment to prevent complications and ensure your dog's well-being. They can also offer advice on how to care for your dog post-incident, including signs to watch for and steps to take if your dog's condition changes. Remember, it's always better to be safe than sorry when it comes to your furry friend's health. Regular checkups and prompt attention to any injuries, no matter how minor they seem, can make a significant difference in your dog's overall health and happiness. Chapter 9. Understanding the why. Professional training. If this incident wasn't an isolated event, if one of the dogs involved has a history of aggression, it's time to address the root cause. Consult with a qualified dog behaviorist or trainer. They can help you understand the why behind the aggression and create a plan to modify the behavior. Chapter 10. Serious incidents require reporting. In certain situations, reporting the attack to animal control or local authorities is necessary. If there's a pattern of aggression from a particular dog, if the attack was particularly vicious, or if public safety is a concern, reporting the incident creates a record and helps prevent future incidents. Outro. Stay calm, stay informed. In every situation, especially when it involves our beloved pets, maintaining a calm demeanor is crucial. It not only helps in managing the situation better, but also ensures that our pets feel secure and protected. Remember, staying calm and knowing what to do can prevent further harm. When you are well informed, you can make decisions that are in the best interest of your pet. Knowledge is power, and in the realm of pet care, it can make a significant difference. When you're calm, assertive, you become the pack leader, guiding the situation towards safety. Dogs look up to their owners for guidance and reassurance. By exuding confidence and calmness, you set a positive example for your pet to follow. Always prioritize safety, both for yourself and the dogs involved. This means being aware of your surroundings, understanding dog behavior, and taking necessary precautions to prevent any potential issues. Safety should always be at the forefront of your mind, and if you're ever unsure, seek professional help. A veterinarian, a trainer. They are your allies in ensuring the well-being of your furry companion. They have the expertise and experience to provide you with the best advice and support. A trainer can help you understand your dog's behavior and teach you effective training techniques. A veterinarian can provide medical advice and ensure your pet is healthy. Don't hesitate to reach out to these professionals when needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest information and tips on pet care, ensuring that you and your furry friend can enjoy a happy and healthy life together. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content.